How to hide your friends on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on this channel. If you don't want other people to see your friend list that you have on your Facebook account, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end. You may have noticed that whenever you try to see someone's friend list on their profile of Facebook, it does not show you all of their friend lists. Instead, it only shows you the mutual friends. So if you also want to do the same for your profile as well, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Now what you need to do is, once you open up your app of Facebook, tap on the menu on the top right. Once you're on the menu, you can scroll down, tap on settings and privacy, and tap on settings. From the settings menu or the settings section of your Facebook, again tap on profile settings and tap on privacy. Inside of privacy, if you scroll down under how people can find and contact you, who can see your friend list, you can just tap on this option and you can just select it to only me if you want to make it completely private. Other than that, you also have a few other options, such as you can tap on friends accept and you can exclude some of the friends that you don't want to give access to the friends, or you can also tap on specific friends so that you can pick some of the friends that you want to give access to. So you can select this option based upon your likings, and if you head back, this will be set to only me if you want it completely private. And now anyone who visits your profile on Facebook won't be able to search off your friend list that you have on your Facebook account. And as easy as that, you have now successfully hid your friend list on Facebook. If this video helped you out, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you are interested in more daily tutorials just like this. I'm going to be back with more informative videos. Thanks for watching.